Dumpster rental service in Woodmere, New York. At S&S Containers Incorporated, efficient waste removal is key to any project. Whether cleaning out your garage, renovating your home, or managing a construction site, having a dependable dumpster rental service in Woodmere, New York, makes all the difference. We offer roll-off dumpsters in various sizes to match your needs. No more worrying about debris piling up. We'll deliver and pick up your dumpster on time, making the process seamless and hassle-free. Our team is dedicated to providing transparent, affordable pricing with no hidden fees, ensuring you get the best value. S&S Containers Incorporated is also committed to responsible waste disposal. We make every effort to handle waste environmentally, keeping our community clean and sustainable. Renting a dumpster should be simple, and with us, it is. Our friendly team is here to answer your questions and guide you through the rental process. Whether you're clearing out a home, overseeing a construction job, or remodeling a business, our dumpster rental service is designed to make waste disposal effortless. Call us today at 718-648-2010 and let S&S Containers Incorporated handle the mess while you focus on your project. Experience reliable dumpster rentals and outstanding customer service today.